Hello and welcome to my 5-eye purple monster makeup tutorial, and for this look I will have a blue head. So I took some material and made me a custom blue head cap, and I've already glued down the edges all the way around my face using the liquid latex, and I've already glued down my eyebrows using the liquid latex because I will be blocking out my eyebrows for this look. And for this look, I will be using purple for my face, orange for my big orange mouth, white for my 3 big white teeth, blue to paint my neck blue, a darker purple for purple dots on my neck, and black for mapping out where the big mouth will go in the 3 teeth and to draw lines. And for this look, I wanted 3 big eyeballs extended off my forehead, so I decided to use a purple plate, which is sturdy, and I cut out the center, which gave me this shape. And on the back, I wanted to draw this shape, but I only wanted to draw it one time. So I took a piece of paper and made a complete round circle. And say this is a round circle. You fold the round circle in half. You cut half of an eye and then a full circle eye, and then down around the forehead. You draw that and then you cut that out, and when you open it, you have a symmetrical shape with 3 big eyes. Then you draw that on the back of the purple disc and you cut that out, and it will give you this shape. And then you put your 3 big googly eyes, and this will give me 3 eyes extended off my head. I'm using a foundation stick to block out my eyebrows, so let's begin this transformation. Next, I'm using the black to map out the big mouth and the teeth on my face with little dots, and then I will connect the dots with lines. I'm using an eyebrow pencil to eyeline my eyes white to make them look larger. Next, I'm going to apply the 3 googly eyes to my forehead using the Liquid Latex. This completes the application of my face painting tutorial. Now let's compare my face to my drawing. It's now time for me to get into my costume and to show you my complete and finished look. I do hope you enjoyed my 5-Eye Purple Monster makeup tutorial. Please check out my other makeup tutorials and subscribe to my channel. And remember to click that little gray bell icon at the bottom of the video screen so you will receive a notification when my next face painting tutorial is on my channel. And thanks for watching.